Hi everyone. I meal prep every week, so containers are very important to me. I don't really like to store my food in plastic, so I was shopping around and I found these Borosilicate Glass containers, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about my experience, and there's two things that I wish I knew before ordering them. First off, these containers are great. Great quality, very durable, the glass is very thick. I love the locking system. It really allows you to keep the containers airtight and easily open and close it once you get the hang of it. Now let me tell you the first thing I wish I knew before. If you're a fast reader like me, sometimes you can overview a detail, and when they say 24 pieces, it actually means 12 containers because they count the container and the lid, which I think is a little bit misleading. Another cool detail is that they're dishwasher safe. I've been using them for a while now. I wash them quite a lot and they still look and feel like new. And another thing I wish I paid more attention to is the sizing. So I'm giving you this advice. Pay attention to the detail, the measurements, because the bigger size can fit approximately 1 meal for an adult. So I highly recommend them. I'm very happy with my purchase and I would definitely buy them again. So thank you for watching and I hope this helped.